Friends, how are you all? So today I have completed my tractor 4x4 tractor which I have shown you in part 1 with my friend Harsimar. He also have his YouTube channel named Harsimar's Creativity. You also have to subscribe his channel and mine too.
Yes. Hello, my name is Harsimar and today we have made a 4x4 tractor and we have shown you the making video of it before this video.
So friends, now it's the time to show you the tractor.
Yes, so we will show you the tractor.
So friends, this is the final look of this tractor. You can see here is the flag of America. At the back side, here is a flag of India. And for the hook, I have take the use of safety pins. You can see here is a chain and all wheels. Here I have used lace of a cloth. And for making the exhaust, I have used straw and many things. Now I will show you the trolley.
This is the final look of the trolley. See, how is it looking? Yes, it is looking good. See, here Avi has written Harsimar's Creativity. You can subscribe this channel and going on the YouTube and press the bell icon for watching the new videos in future about artificial intelligence. And here it is written Avi's Creation. You can also subscribe this channel for watching new videos in future of robots, tractors, cars, like these things. And here we have written YT, means YouTube. Okay, how is it looking? If it is looking nice, so you can subscribe this channel for watching new videos in future. Now he will show you how it will move.
Friends, now in my part 1, I have shown you that I have fitted only one speaker.
Yes.
But now I have fitted 2 speakers. And I have also changed the tires because the grip was not good. And now I have decorated it all. Now I will show you how it works. And here are 1, 2 and third switch, and here is the charging port. It's the main switch of the tractor. This switch is for light and this switch is for speakers. Now I'm turning on the switch of the speakers.
Now I will show you the lights of the tractor. See, this is a switch of the tractor or the lights of the tractor. See this one. Now when I will on it, then the lights will also on. See, this is the front light and we have attached 2 lights under the tractor. See, these are the 2 lights, the 2 strips of 12 volt. See how it's looking. It's looking nice. The headlight is also looking nice and the light which is attached by Avi under the tractor, that is also looking nice.
This is the safety pin of the tractor and this is the safety pin of the trolley. Now it will be connected by the help of a nail. You can see this. Now I will connect it. First it will be go inside the inside this trolley nail and trolley safety pin, and then it will be attached to the safety pin of the tractor. So friends, you can see this is connected. It can move left, right, anywhere. And now there are many speakers in it. You can see 1, 2 and third. Now I will show you the songs also.
Move forward. Now see, it will move backward. Now see, it will move left side. Now see, it will move right side. See, the songs are also playing, the lights are also on, and the tractor is also moving. Now see, tractor will come till here. This is the tractor and it will come till there. Let's see how it will come. See, it has come.
Friends, this was our 4x4 tractor. So hope you liked it. So subscribe to his channel, Harsimar's Creativity.
And you can also subscribe his channel, Avi's Creation.
Thank you. Till then, bye and wait till next video.
Yes.